Hey there, Sarah Kavinsky here, recipe developer from the Veg Out Project, and today we are making Hulk muffins. You know how Popeye was stronger when he ate spinach? Let's make it really easy and fun. These muffins come together really quickly. They're so easy to batch prep to have on hand for quick breakfasts paired with fruit throughout the week, or to pair with your favorites salad kit from Fifth Season for a very beautifully well-rounded and satisfying lunch. Let's preheat our oven to 375 and dive in.